Hundreds of trees were taken down. This land, this farm, will probably be sold also to developers along Highway 9 here. It'll all be gone. Beautiful though, beautiful land. It's just pockets of areas where the trees have come down. So there's not much going on in this particular area, but they don't have power, a lot of them. My sister at the lake where I just left has no power, but she has a Generac. Yay. Can we say overdevelopment? There are over 400 roads in western North Carolina that are completely impassable. Parts of I-40 are completely gone. Of course, the whole town of Chimney Rock is gone. It has been leveled. It does not exist anymore. And an interesting thing happened while I was in the grocery line in Columbus, North Carolina, about 2 hours ago. There was a guy behind me and we were checking out. I was with my sister and I said, "Do you have power?" He goes, "Oh yes, I've got a generator." And then I went, "Yeah, this is a mess, this thing." And he goes, "Chimney Rock is gone." And I said, "I know." He goes, "I was there and watched it." I said, "What?" He goes, "I'm on fire watch and I was in a Hummer tank." And he put his fingers together and did the universal sign for cash. And he said, "There's a lot of money and development." And he said his mother was a judge at the courthouse. This guy was connected, right? Somehow. I've been thinking that these are methods and tactics that the higher ups are using. He said they want to develop it. And what that means is the beautiful, quaint little mom and pop shops have got to go. And they're going to be repurposing or zoning Highway 9, and it's just going to be a mecca of development, and that's super sad, and it's super evil. It's 100% evil. They're taking away all of our joy places to go. All the trails at Caesar's Head and Table Rock are probably just really messed up and will be for a long time. I mean, who knows? The tentacles of this thing are going to be far-reaching. What they're doing to us with this weather warfare, geoengineered Helene.